Welcome back to chapter 3 video on Excel VBA tutorial basic to advanced. In this chapter we are going to look into the user interface of VBA. The major components of VBA user interface are the main tabs or menus, toolbar, project explorer, coding window, properties window and toolbox. Let's go to VBA by clicking on developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. This is the Visual Basic for application window. At the top you can see Microsoft Visual Basic for applications and the workbook name is given here, Excel VBA chapter 3. Below you can see the menus or tabs which are file, edit, view, insert, format, debug, run, etc. If you click on the menu you can see different tools are given here. These are the tools available in edit tab. These are the tools available in view tab. All these tools are used for different kind of task in VBA. Below the tabs you can see different tools given. This is called toolbar. In this toolbar the most useful tools are given. At the left side of the screen you can see a window, that is the VBA project window, which is called the project explorer. In the project explorer you can see the objects that is in the workbook. Like here you see Microsoft Excel objects are given, which are the sheet name that is available here in this workbook. Similarly, if you add here a module, then the module will be given here. If you add a user form, then the user form will be given here. So this is called the project explorer. You can change the position of this project explorer by click, hold, drag and drop. You can keep this window at any position of the screen. Similarly, the next window is the properties window, which is given here. In this properties window, the properties of every object that you select is given. Currently, this properties window is showing the properties for the sheet 1. If you select here different sheet, then the properties of this selected sheet is given. The properties window also you can keep at any location as you want. The next important part of the user interface is the coding window. Currently, the coding window is not visible because I haven't added any module here. To show the coding window or to activate coding window, you have to first insert a module. So let me go here in the insert tab, then click on module, and here you see this is the coding window. In this window we write the VBA code. Let me click on insert, then click on user form. Here you can see the user form is an object which is listed in the project explorer, and when you click on user form, the properties window will show all the properties or the settings for this user form. The next important window is the toolbox window. If you click on this user form, the toolbox will auto activate. If this toolbox window is not visible, you can simply click on this toolbox option here, then it will be visible. You can also activate this window by clicking on the view tab, then click on toolbox. In the toolbox you can see different control buttons. These are used for creating the application in VBA. Like in the user form, if you want to add different controls, then you can use this toolbox. So these are about the major components of VBA user interface. In VBA you can see other windows also. If you go to the view tab, here you can see different windows are given, like immediate window, locals window and watch window. If you click on this, a new window will be given here. If you go to the view and click on locals window, then here you see a new locals window is added. If you go to the view, then click on watch window, then here you see the watch window is given. We will learn about these additional windows in other chapters. So this is all about the major components that is in VBA user interface. In the next chapter we will learn these 4 things. These are creating macro by writing VBA code, running the macro, step-by-step code execution and sheet referencing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.